G'day guys, are you tired of not getting notifications from your favorite YouTubers and keep missing valuable content only to have an entire backlog to go through? How frustrating is that? Let's dive deeper into why this is occurring.
So, depending on what platform you're on, you'll have different functionality. On desktop, by default, subscribing to a channel will leave you with occasional notifications. Clicking on that bell icon will activate all notifications. It acts as a toggle. If you hover over and remain on the icon, these tooltips will appear. iPad offers additional functionality. Even though subscribing and forgetting to tap on the bell leaves you with no notifications at all, the toggle brings up this box in the corner informing you how often you receive notifications. This box pops up and disappears pretty quickly, so many users may fail to see it and misunderstand the icon meaning. Tapping options on that box will invoke these options, and users can opt out of notifications altogether if they so please. If you found this tip very helpful and explained the predicament we all fall prey to, be sure to tap or click on that bell and make it shake, and share this if you think others may benefit from it. See you next time, guys.